I got this 5-string Alembic Epic bass. There we go. It's a 34-inch scale. It's got 5 maple, 4 walnut veneers, ebony fretboard, dual truss rod adjustment in there. The truss rod works just fine on this. And I'll actually include a truss rod, a 1/4-inch wrench with this too, because I had to buy one to get this truss rod to work. What do we got? MXY 56 pickups. You got 4 knobs in here. You got volume. You got pan, bass, and treble. So you can hear that or not. Playing an old bass amp. It's got a few dings and dents and scratches on it. Slight stuff, you know, buckle rash stuff you typically see on a bass this old. This is a 1993, actually the production model this year is 94 to present. This bass was made in 1993, and the serial number is actually inside the control cavity here. Most of the 94s I've seen had the serial number up here, but this one's inside the cavity. It's a 93. Like I said, the first year this bass was a 94, but this was made the first year before. It's pretty good shape. I think it's in really good shape actually for a 25-year-old guitar. But anyway, it's for sale. It's for sale, and there it is. It can be yours. Thank you.